Hey, it's a beautiful day to learn about music. In previous videos, we looked at some of the rudiments of music theory. Today, we will explore the importance and functions of time signatures. What is a time signature? The time signature indicates how many note beats are in each bar of music. If you viewed the first video in this series, you will remember that music notes are written on the music stave. The stave is divided into sections by bar lines. The sections are called bars of music. We find the time signature at the beginning of the stave. The time signature is written as a fraction. There are two kinds of time signatures. Simple time signatures are used often. Compound time signatures are seldom used these days and are found in old types of music and church music. This time signature is used in most of the music that you listen to. This time signature is not used too often, but it is still used in modern music. In this lesson, we will concentrate on these two time signatures. You will remember that notes have different values. This was explored in video 2 of this series. There are 4 notes that you need to know about as a music beginner. The SEMI-BREVE has the value of one whole note. When we clap the SEMI-BREVE, we say ta, ah, ah, ah. The MINIM is half of a SEMI-BREVE. When we count the MINIM, we say ta, ah. 4 crotchets make one SEMI-BREVE. We clap once and sat ta for each crotchet. The quaver is the shortest note. 8 quavers make one SEMI-BREVE. When 2 quavers are joined together, they are joined with a bar. We clap and say ta-te when we count 2 quavers. Look at these simple time signatures. You will understand what they mean in this video. You can see that this time signature shows a 4 over a crotchet. This means that there are 4 crotchet beats in the bar of music. You know that one crotchet is 1/4 of a SEMI-BREVE. So each crotchet beat can be written as 1/4. Instead of writing the time signature as 4 over a crotchet, we can write 4 over 4. When we count the beats in this example, we will clap ta, 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 ta. This is called quadruple time, because there are 4 beats in a bar of music. Try clapping the note values in these examples. Notice that each bar of music has 4 quarter beats. Here we have triple time. There are 3/4 beats in each bar of music. Again, the 3 over a crotchet can be replaced with 3 over 1/4 since there are 3/4 beats in each bar of music. To clap the beats, you must say ta, ta, ta. We have a problem with triple time since there isn't a single note that is 3 beats long. To solve this problem, a dot is written after a minim note. The dot increases the minim note by 1/2. So, a dotted minim is equal to a minim plus a crotchet. That makes a note value of 3. When we clap the dotted minim, we say ta, ah, ah. Clap the note values in these examples. All of these bars of music have 3 beats per bar. Try this challenge. What are the time signatures of these bars of music? Let's put what we have learnt into practice. We will start with a quadruple time signature. Listen to the song, then join in and sing along.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
Stop the video. Clap the note values for the melody. This time, you will clap the beats of the time signature. On beats 1 and 3, you must slap your knees. On beats 2 and 4, you must clap your hands. So you will follow the pattern of knees, clap, knees, clap. As you do this, count the beats 1, 2, 3, 4. This song is written in triple time. There are 3/4 beats in each bar. Listen to the singer singing the song. Then try the song yourself.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all.
Stop the video. Clap the note values of the melody. In this activity, you will clap the beat of the time signature. On the first beat, slap your knees. On beats 2 and 3, clap your hands. Count 1, 2, 3 for each beat. What have you learnt in this lesson? You learnt the meaning of the term time signature. You discovered that there are different types of time signatures. You found out about quadruple and triple time signatures. And you clapped the melodic rhythm of music. You also learnt how to clap the time signature beats in a bar of music. You sang 2 new fun songs. Please subscribe and share. Check the description for free worksheets.